So good evening, guys. Good evening, Taranpreet, Ranjit. So I'll be starting with the market analysis within 2-3 minutes. Good evening, Shivam. Hi, Mohammed. Like we are waiting for people to join. We'll be starting within 2 minutes at 6:35 sharp. Guys, I'm just waiting for other people to join. We'll be starting soon. Thank you, Arjun. So guys, we'll be starting at 6:40. Sorry for the delay, guys. We'll be starting within 2-3 minutes. Yeah, am I audible now, Taranpreet? Okay, so now I'll be starting with the analysis. So guys, you can just comment on which pair shall I start first. It's your choice. You can just comment in the chat box on which pair shall I start first. USD JPY. Gold. Okay. Okay. As Satish commented first, I will be starting with USD JPY and I will also be analyzing gold as well. So in USD JPY, I'll be first checking the higher time bias. So to check higher time frame bias, first I'll be getting into weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, my view is bearish. My view is bearish, and I'll be looking market to reach this swing low because it's coming from weekly FEG. So my bias is bearish. I'll be looking for 4-hour FEG or order block. So yeah, market has tapped into our 4-hour order block. I'll be looking into 1 hour time frame as well. Yeah, it has also tapped our 1 hour time frame order block. So 5 minutes. So this will be our key levels. So once market reaches this level, this is 15 minute. Okay. So I'll be looking for going short. It's like because my higher time frame bias is bearish, I'll only be looking to go short from here. No, if I also get any long opportunity to go long, opportunity to go long, I'll be looking for short. I'll be looking for short opportunity because my higher time frame bias is bearish. So once market reaches this order block, this is the order block indicator, guys. Once it reaches this order block, I'll be looking to go short, and my target will be 1:3. Let us just set an alert here, and I'll be So I'll just precise my entry by looking into 5 minutes order block here. This will be a perfect entry, and this swing high is the stop loss. I'll keep few pips as a buffer. This much is enough, and I can also target this order block. So let us be patient, guys. Like in trading, if you want to be successful, patience is the key. I can also scalp here. I can go long because I know market will come to my entry levels, so that I can scalp from any point of time, like in 1 minute or 3 minutes, to go long. But that is not a proper setup because as my higher time frame bias was bearish, I'll be looking for the market to reach my bearish PDRA. At this point of time, my bearish PDRA is 15 minutes order block, which is overlapping with 5 minutes. So once the market reaches that level, I'll be looking to go short. And as I showed, this will be I have marked the level as well. This will be my final TP. That is 1:20. But as of now, we'll be looking for 1:2 or 1:3 trade. Guys, me personally look for 1:3 opportunity. Once market gives me 1:2, I'll be looking for. As market gives 1:2, I'll bring my stop loss to break even, and I'll target 1:3. Maybe sometimes more 1:4, 1:5 as well. Looking into the order flow. So what most of them does is they'll book partial, or once market reaches 1:1, they'll be bringing their stop loss to break even. But most of the my setup is like I'll be taking the entries in order blocks. So as per my experience, order block gets respected twice or thrice minimum. Once market gives 1:1, and if I bring my break even, stop loss to break even, it again taps my break even, that is my entry point, and moves towards my direction. So what alter I did is, what is the alter I made is, once market reaches 1:2, then only I am getting my stop loss to break even, so that If market retraces back to my entry point, it again uh, move towards my direction. So Arjun, yeah, like there is no any pair that is particular for working professional, but if you are a working professional, what I suggest is to do swing trades in any pair is fine. Like what I do is, if like the swing trade, what I follow is, I'll be looking into higher time frame bias, that is weekly or monthly bias. For swing trades, it's better to look monthly bias and then shift into weekly time frame, and from there you also look into the bias. If the bias overlap, that is the bias in the sense the direction, the market direction, if it overlaps, then take the entry in 4 hour or 1 hour time frame. Okay, keep the stop loss as 4 hour, 1 hour swing highs and swing lows, and take the entry in the same time frame. If you are going for intraday, then you can look for 5 minutes or 15 minutes, and if you are going for scalp, then you can look into 1 minute time frame. Okay, just a second, guys. I'll be back. Just a second. Yes, Arjun. Sorry. So maybe because this room is, there is less furnitures inside this room and there is no one, maybe that is the reason my voice is echoing. Uh, so from next live trade session, I'll be taking from other place. Okay, sorry from my side, guys. Okay, so this is the setup for USD JPY. So you can just mark the levels and add the alert. So I'll be bringing my alert to this level. Yeah. So once market triggers your alert, you can go short in USD JPY. Hope everyone have marked the chart in your trading view. So as of now, there is no any trading opportunity in uh, this thing USD JPY. So I'll be looking into gold, everyone's favorite pair. So guys, for I just forgot to tell you something. So first we need to check Forex Factor for the news. But like I had already checked, I knew there was no news. News was over at 6 p.m. So there is another news at 7:15. So what is unemployment claims? There was unemployment claims which plays a major role in forex trading. Like it is the weekly report. It is something where people who have lost the job apply for the help. Like they apply to the government in the need of the help. So if the assumed data, like for example, if government has assumed like 100 people would have lost the job, and if they have received more than 100 applications for the help, then it suggests that the unemployment rate is more than expected data. So it negatively impacts the economy, because there are a lot of unemployment. The bank will tend to cut the bank rates. When bank rate is cut, the USD value will decrease. By like when the value of USD decreases, gold, I mean the opposite pairs value will increase. This is the actual correlation in unemployment claims. So there was a news at 6 p.m. This we will receive this data once every week. So this is a major news actually, unemployment claims. So there is also a news at 7:15. So hope you guys also remind me before 7:10. We will not trade at news time, guys. So gold, I'll be looking into my higher time frame bias first. So my bias is bullish. As we know, gold is making all-time high, but as of now, my bias is bullish because it is coming from. See, okay, sorry. So it is coming from our weekly FEG, and target is the swing high. So as I got to know my higher time frame bias is bullish, I'll be looking for uh, bullish FEG or bullish order block in 4 hour or 1 hour time frame. So yeah, this is a good trading opportunity, guys. To be honest, because as we can see, there is a 4 hour FEG over here. And guys, and one more thing I wanted to tell, yeah. So, what I feel is, uh, we always don't find setup at a particular time. Like, if I want to trade right now, I'm not able, like, I can't find out the proper setup because, like, market always don't move towards our vision well. So we shouldn't chase the market. We have to wait patiently for market to reach our levels so that we'll take the trade. So as of now, there is no proper levels in gold and USD JPY. So we shouldn't. That means we shouldn't rush. Like we have to wait for the market to reach our levels. So we are marking it right now. So even I suggest even you guys to mark the levels. Okay, just a second. Okay, okay, there is also a FEG in 4 hour time frame. Okay, just a second. So it has tapped our 4 hour time frame FEG. So in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, I'll be looking for 15 minutes. Okay, this will be a another scenario if I'll also set alert over here. So guys, I'm giving you two situations. One is once market reach into this level, we will go long because weekly time frame bias is bullish, and my final tip is this level. But there is one other second situation where this is a high probability setup. Like I can assure you 60 to 70% probability trade, at least 70% probability trade if you take the trade at that level, or else we like we found out a 4 hour FEG over here. So I'll be shifting into 15 minutes time frame, and when market enters into my 15 minutes order block, I can take the entry, go short, and once I go short, market will reach this level, will tend to reach this level, and from here I can also again go long, but this will be like 50 to 50% accuracy trade, like anything can happen, but because my higher time frame bias is bullish, sorry, but you can also take the trade here and target this FEG. From here it will go collect this liquidity and target this FEG. So here I'll be looking for a short opportunity. I'll make it precise in 5 minutes. Okay, so yeah. Okay. this can be a good setup as well. Guys, hope you guys are marking the levels. Please whether are you like you guys are marking the levels. Guys, text in the chat box whether you are marking the levels which I am showing. I already marked the levels in USD JPY and also in gold. Good, Satish. So this is one entry we can expect. One more thing is yeah. Start. So so there is a order block and if sorry the FAG over here which has not yet mitigated. So I'll be looking for a long opportunity from this point. I'll precise the entry in 5 minutes time. Yeah. As my 5-minute order block is above 15 minutes, I'll be taking the entry in 15-minute order block. So I marked 2 levels, guys. So let us see. Guys, just mark these levels. Guys, like I can take the entry, a random entry at this point of time as well. But what as you guys are our people, like I don't want you guys to take low probability setup trades and lose the money. It's better to wait with the patience and mark the levels which I have marked and take the entry, because like even my setup doesn't have 100%, no setups has 100% win rate, but better to take the entries with the setup which I have already back tested and giving good win rate. So like what I feel is to be patient and take the entries only when the market reaches R level. No rushing. At the last, like if you guys want if anyhow I am marking the levels, you can just take the trade once market reaches that level. If you guys want any scalping or aggressive entry at the last, then we can also plan for aggressive entry in last 15-20 minutes. Indicator is just a order block indicator. You can search in indicator yeah. Guys, yeah, at the last I'll also be giving a Like comparatively less probability, but I mean less win rate, not a less probability, but a less win rate set up at the end. If you guys wish, even that setup will be having 50% win rate, so you can take the entry at the lot. But these setup which are marked has little more win rate, so it's better to wait patiently and take the trade. So I've analyzed two charts as of now, USD JPY and gold. So I'll be looking into Euro USD, one of the biggest and the major pair currency person. So first I'll be looking into higher time frame bias. In my what my weekly time bias is telling. So it's purely bullish. This will be my target. It's going from this FEG. There's also mitigated our order block. I'll be shifting into 4 hour time frame. Okay, market has mitigated our 4 hour FEG. I'll be shifting to 1 hour time frame. My 1 hour time frame, market has mitigated my order block. Okay, we could have planned for a long from here, guys. Okay, not it. As you can see, it has not mitigated our 5 minutes order block. So I'll be trading at this point. So I'll just make some adjustments. So yeah, this can be our entry. This can be our entry, guys. So I've already marked 3 charts, that is Euro USD, USD JPY and gold. So be patient, mark the levels. Once market reaches this level, take the trade. But at the end, I'll also be giving one aggressive entry. But it's at the end. Next pair will be Nasdaq. So guys, as it's 7 p.m. and there is a news at 7:15. Flash manufacturing PMI, sorry. What is this flash manufacturing PMI? So this is the economic health of the country in manufacturing sector. So if PMI is above 50, then the economic health in the manufacturing sector is doing good, and if it's below 50, it's bad. So how it impacts USD? Like if it's above 50, it will positively impact are USD and the correlated pair, and the opposite pair will is the gold. The major pair is gold, JPY and all. Those are Asian pairs. So it will negatively impact the Asian pairs and gold commodities. So as there is news within 10 minutes, it's better not to trade as of now. So yeah, if there was no news, like we could have planned for an aggressive entry, but there is a news, and hope you guys are trading with prop. There is an like when it comes to prop, that is the only way you can trade legally from India. So it's better to trade with prop, and especially I am trading with LiveX Capital account. That is the more like this is what I trust actually. Like I've also got 2 payouts from LiveX Capital. So this is how the LiveX Capital platform looks. So we are having step 2 account as of now with 5k, 10k and 5k, 25k and 50k account, and soon you will be getting 100k account as well. So what is this? Phase 1. Like guys who doesn't know about prop, I'll be explaining about it. And before that, hope you guys have marked the levels which I have shown. I have marked the levels at 3 charts. That one is EUR USD and other one is USD JPY. And one more is gold. So yeah, I have marked the levels in all the 3 charts. So it's 7:05. Within 10 minutes we'll be having the news. So it's better not to trade as of now, or else I would have given an aggressive entry setup. But that's okay. In the future I'll be taking live trades every day, and hope you guys will be attending, and you will also clear the account with me, taking my trades. Now you will also get to know about my setup as well. Yes, Taranpreet. My name is Dhanush. Yeah, I have taken live streams before as well, and I'll be taking every day. So Avinash, I'll be trading with prop account, because that is the only legal way where we can trade actually with the forex from India. So in LiveX Capital, we are having 2 phase accounts as of now. So here the company LiveX Capital will be providing the real capital for the talented traders. And how they are proved as talented? It's by clearing the challenges. Those challenges are phase 1 and phase 2. If you meet the criteria of what the prop has mentioned, you will be getting the live account. So what are those challenges? In the phase 1, you will have to trade for minimum 3 days, and the maximum loss limit is 5%, and sorry, the daily loss percent is 5% and maximum loss is 10%, and the profit target is 8%. If these criteria are achieved, you will be promoted to phase 2, and in phase 2 the loss limit, the daily loss limit and maximum loss limit is same, but the profit target will be decreased, that is to 5%. Once you clear both the phases, you will be getting into funded stage, where you will be getting the real capital, and using that real capital you can trade and get the payouts. And what difference does our LiveX Capital and other prop does? The main thing is you will be getting 75% profit split, that too with the weekly payout, where majority, like not majority, no prop right now are providing with 75% profit split and also a weekly payout. So this is the major benefit you are having from LiveX Capital. The one more major benefit is you can also trade with crypto on the weekends, where majority prop doesn't allow you to trade on weekends. It's a non-trading day, guy. But in our LiveX Capital, you can also trade on weekends with crypto like Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. That is one other major advantage with LiveX Capital. And it's very easy two-step evaluation, guys. As you can see, maximum daily loss is 5%, whereas most of the other prop provides 4% as maximum daily loss, but here we are providing 5%. And about the customer support, you will get like if you are facing any issues with the prop, you will be getting the reply within few minutes in our live chat box, where you can see here. So what is the good thing about today? What is special? So, yeah, we are giving 4 10k live accounts for 4 lucky people. It's chosen randomly, guys. If some other people are not getting the account, please don't feel bad. And one more good news is we'll be providing 2 10k accounts every week. Every week we'll be giving 2 10k accounts to our people. So if you are not getting the account today, don't feel bad. You will be getting the account in the upcoming days, because we are planning to give 10k account every week, 2 10k accounts. Yes, Avinash. Like, hope you can pass the account. Like, I can't give 100% this promise, but yeah, maybe like the chances are more that you can pass the prop. Okay, there is no monthly, but with bi-weekly it can go up to 90% profit split. Yeah, Avinash Abhi. Like, guys, I'll also be telling one thing. If you guys want to, if you guys won't get the free live account, sorry, free 10k account, you can also purchase the account by having 15% discount on it. And for that, you will be using the code PASS15. So I'll also be teaching you how to buy the account at the end. First, I'll just announce the 4 lucky winners for today. No, Arshavardhan. No, Arshavardhan. This is not a first funded account from India, but yeah, this is one of the few prop from India that we can say. And yeah, for weekly payouts, you'll be getting 90% profit split, up to 90%. And one more chance is you can also scale up your account. For example, you are trading with 10k account. And if you are doing good and if you are consistently getting the payout, making profits, we will scale up the account from 10k to 15k, from 20k, 25k, 50k, like that you can scale up the account. Yeah, 75% weekly payout. Not week. Yeah, 75% weekly payout, and for bi-weekly it can go up to 90%. Avinash. Sorry, it was my mistake. Yeah, so guys, if you want to purchase the account, first I'll be announcing the winners. So will be those 4 winners. And we'll also be observing like who will be very active, who will be regularly attending our live trades, who are having good engagement with us. We'll be giving the account for them as well. As I already told, we'll be giving 2 accounts every week. So the first guy will be Taranpreet Singh. Congratulations, Taranpreet. You'll be getting the 10K account, which is just a second. I'll be also showing the price of the 10K account. So the price for 10K account is $75 and you are getting for free. The first winner is Taranpreet. Congratulations, Taranpreet. And the second winner will be Avinash. Avinash Abhi. Congratulations, Avinash. And the third winner will be Arjun Thakur. Guys, and there is one more criteria for you guys to get the account. I'll explain after announcing one more winner. So the fourth winner will be Satish Raju. So congratulations, guys. Hope you guys are happy getting the account, 10K account, which is worth $75. It's okay, Ashavardhan. Like we'll be giving the accounts every week. Like I'll be giving two accounts. So you will be having more chances in the upcoming days. Yeah, Mohammed, same to you. Like we are only giving four accounts. Next week we'll also be giving other two accounts. So yeah, you can expect in upcoming days. But there is one good thing, you can also get 15% off on it, off on the LiveX prop using coupon code PASS15. You can also purchase now so that you will be trading with me and hope you can clear the account. Yeah, I'll be also telling the criteria for you guys. For that, first criteria is you will be following our LiveX Capital YouTube channel, the channel which we are going live right now. And the second thing is you will be you will be also comment LiveX. Sure, Ashavardhan. Good that you are very positive, though you are not getting the account. Very nice to see your positivity. So yeah, the second criteria is you have to comment LiveX in our, yeah. Tarant Preet is too fast. Okay, so you'll be following our YouTube channel, and the second criteria is like you have to comment LiveX. That is fine. The third criteria, the important criteria is you have to message like you have to follow us on, sorry, like on our Instagram LiveX page and the LLW Forex page, and take the screenshot and message us in LLW LiveX Capital account, Instagram account, LiveX Capital Instagram account. You have to follow us on LiveX Capital and Live Long Wealth Forex on Instagram and message us in Live Long Wealth Instagram page. That is LiveX Capital account. I'm sorry guys. LiveX Capital account. Yeah, you have to message in LiveX Capital account. You four of us. Good, Subramani. So yeah, we'll be continuing with the live trade from tomorrow as well. And you, okay, Satish, you guys just go to LiveX Capital Instagram account, follow us, and send us a message that you have won the. Yeah, you can message now, Avinash, that you have won the giveaway of 10k account, LiveX Capital account. You can just message in LiveX Capital account. Good, Taranpreet. Yeah, Sharvardhan. I'll be teaching basics of Forex. Yeah. You will also get to know about my setups if you are attending regularly. So I'll also teach you how to buy the account if you have not got the account give in the giveaway. So you'll be clicking on, sorry, yeah, buy challenge. I'll just be showing the example of 10k account. Buy challenge. So once you click on this, you click on start a new challenge, that is 10 USD. Continue. Guys, I'm just showing this because people have not got the giveaways will purchase the account with 15% discount. That the coupon code is PASS15 PASS15. Apply. Sorry, just a second. So yeah, you have to type in caps, capital letters. So you'll be getting the account for 63.75 USD dollars. If you purchase the account now, from tomorrow you can start trading with me, and I've also marked the levels. And I'll also tell you one thing: just risk 0.5% when you are trading alone. And if you are trading with me, and if that is my setup, you can risk 1%, or else if you are trading alone you risk 0.5%. By this you can also purchase our LiveX Capital account, get the discount by clicking by using the code PASS15. Click on confirm. Yeah, that's it. Sure, then I'll be coming live at 6:30. I'll just type the our Instagram account, guys. Sorry, I'll just text in chat box. LiveX Capital, LIVX. Just a second. These two are the Instagram pages, guys. You have to follow both the pages, and you other guys as well. I hope everyone follows our page, and you'll follow our page so that you'll be getting the giveaways in the upcoming days. That is the next. That is in the next week. Okay, Subramani. So guys, hope you enjoyed the session, and take the trades only when market reaches higher levels. Don't rush. Be patient. Okay. I hope you guys who receive, everyone should have been happy because I have also given you my setup, the trading setup for today. But it's okay, you guys who have not received the account, you will be getting in the upcoming days, because this is not the end. This is just the beginning. This is the first day where we are giving the account. Every week we'll be giving two accounts at least. Okay, bye guys. If you have any question, you can just ask. Like I'll be telling about my setup in the live trade itself. Shiva Ramakrishna. Okay, fine. Bye, guys. I'll be ending with the trade. Today's live.